Hello, I am Beth Ann Stone with the LMC Office of Planning and Institutional Effectiveness, and this is the instructional video for publishing and submitting your final program review for Instructional Units Year 5 Update. From the introductory video, you already know how to access and log into eLumen, ensuring your role as department coordinator is correct, and you've selected the appropriate program or unit to publish and submit this program review. You've gone to strategic planning, you've gone to initiatives, you've clicked on your Year 5 template, and it is now appearing on your screen. For the purpose of these instructional videos, I will be utilizing the art department. Using the scroll bar on your right-hand screen, you want to scroll through your sections, ensuring you've completed all the necessary content, answering all sections. For instructional units, your timeline for program review Year 5 was quote-unquote chunked, so certain sections are due in certain months in the fall 2021 semester. So at this point, you have already adhered to those deadlines for the sections, and everything is now complete, and you want to finalize your program review. Please note, if you received funding via the resource allocation process, you will be asked by the business services offices to describe how those resources allocated have supported you in achieving your program goals. This will come in the form of an email from the Business Services Office. Again, as noted in a previous video, you cannot submit resource allocation requests through eLumen at this time. Please visit the Business Services Office and or SGC website for the resource allocation process and the budget request database. So now I've ensured that I'm ready to submit my final program review. To do so, I click on this button that you see at the top that says Publish All. Now you can save all as drafts, but that does not finalize and submit it. You want to make sure you select Publish All. Once you select Publish All, the green icon will appear saying your program review has successfully been published. Scroll back up to the top of the screen, and you'll see a download and a PDF icon with a link saying Strategic Initiative Report. You can click on this link and download a PDF of your program review Year 5 update that you just published and submitted. Once you click on it, the following screen will appear. You can go to print. You can either save it to your desktop as a PDF or you can print it. Once done, you hit save or print, whichever you prefer, and you are done publishing and submitting your Year 5 update in eLumen. Select the back button and this will take you back to your template. Should you have any questions or issues with your eLumen program review, please feel free to contact me at brobertson@losmedanos.edu.